Okay, YouTube, so here is my next project. My floor over here in this one area really looks like hell, as you can see. I tried a couple of things to fix it and nothing makes it look better. If anything, it looks worse. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and sand it down with a little bit of sandpaper, and I'm going to try and restain this one little area and see what it looks like. So step number one is to go through and start this process of sanding it, and then we'll take it from there. So I have a couple of different grits of sandpaper I'm going to use. I'm going to start with the 60, and I'm going to get a little bit more fine as I go along. So we'll start with this. We'll see how we do. So here's the process I'm going through. I'm basically just sanding it with my sanding block, and I'm going to sand the area, and we're going to try and stain it, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay, so I've hit the area with 60 grit and 80 grit sandpaper. Now I'm going to do 120 and 220 over it. So here it is after I sanded it without any stain on it. I'm actually going to put some stain, but even without it, it does look a little bit discolored, but I definitely think it looks actually better than it did before I started. So that's something. I'm going to take a little stain and we're going to try it. Okay, so I'm actually putting on my stain now. I have this sanded, if you could see it. I started putting on a little bit of stain. So I'm actually using, in my case, I'm using a golden pecan. Now I tried an actual natural stain, but the natural stain did not work well. So I did another little sand, and now I'm just basically taking this and I'm rubbing this on. And this looks like it is going to work out really well, actually. So I'm just going to take it, rub a little on. Hold on, you're coming along for the ride, so you may be bouncing a little bit while I'm doing this. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to let that dry, but I think that looks pretty good. I think this is going to do a good job for us. Hey YouTube, all right, so now the floor is dry, and I think it matched up very good. It's not perfect, but let me tell you, it's pretty close, and it actually looks much better in person than it does even on the video. And I think if I took it and I shine it up a little bit, it'll be almost a perfect match. So I think it really came out pretty good. Anyway, if you need to do a quick repair, I think this will work out good for you. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, check out some of my other videos. Have a great day now.